I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. Let's check kung ano ang nangyayari sa mga buhay-buhay at lalo na sa inyong buhay pag-ibig. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate po sa kaunti lamang ng readings. Take what only yours. And gusto ko pong ipaalam sa inyo na ito po ay kung kailan nyo napanood, this is a timeless reading. Kung kailan nyo po napanood, the reading is meant to find you. So, with the Page of Cups, so nandito tayo sa isang situation na hindi tayo makalapit sa isang tao. Nandito tayo sa situation na we are loving someone from afar. So, baka lagi lang tayong nanonood sa kanyang mga my days. No, it could be you, it could be your person. You can interchange the scenario. What I am reading is the dynamic naman, no? Kasi with the Page of Cups, parang laging nakabasid. Bakit hindi na lang kasi lapitan, no? I'm not sure if this is a long-distance relationship or baka walang lakas ng loob or baka nahihiya, no? With the Knight of Cups. So, binabagalan or mabagal. Tayo ba ay naiinip? Kung tayo ito, no, na alam naman nating merong nanonood sa mga stories natin, sa mga my days natin, parang sinasabi natin dito, kailan ka ba magte-take ng action, no? Kailan mo ba ipaparamdam na gusto mo ako? Kailan mo ba sasabihin, no, na or kailan ka magte-take ng action? So meron ditong either naiinip or baka siya mismo naiinip na, no, dahil wala pa siyang lakas ng loob to actually approach, no, with the Devil card. So binuli ka ba nitong taong to before? Binuli mo ba itong taong to before? Nagawan mo ng kasalanan, ginawan ka ng kasalanan. One thing's for sure, na-meet mo na to, nagkakilala na kayo, no? Hindi naging maganda ang sabihing yung nag-share kayo, no, ng moments together. Kasi with the Devil card, I'm not seeing that this is a happy ending. The card per se, no? Parang sinasabi, someone took advantage of you or you took advantage of this person. Again, you can interchange the roles with the Seven of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles. So, someone actually took someone else's abundance. Abundance may mean literally money. Abundance may mean time, energy, effort, no? Abundance may mean peace of mind. Abundance may mean katulad nga, baka may nanghiram ng pera sa iyo, hindi binalik, pero you are still an important person to their life. Sobrang kahihiyan, hindi siya parang sa sobrang kahihiyan, hindi siya nakaporma. That I'm not sure of yet, dahil wala pa naman yung mga cards dito, kung this is intentional or baka, that person might be a victim of, that person might do not have a break at that moment, no? Pwedeng this person promised you something and hindi naman niya nagawa. Dahil siguro walang break, they don't have the funds, they do not have the means. Kaya parang Sinabi niya, so wala na akong pag-asa dito. But you are actually still important to me. So, parang na pinagkakasya ko, no, ang kaligayahan ko just by seeing you from afar or just, probably sneaking up on your social media accounts with the death card. So parang ilang beses na rin kayong in and out, no, nitong person na ito. Parang away bate, no, pero parang ito na yata ang pinakamalaking kasalanan na nagawa nitong person. So meron kasi ditong loop with the death card. So ang nangyayari dito, paulit-ulit yung situation ninyo, parang lalong nadadagdagan. Things keep on piling up until merong isang malaking situation na talagang hanggang dyan ka na lang, no? Parang sinabi mo na rin siguro sa sarili mo, you cannot approach me, meron kang, kumbaga, pwede mo akong kausapin, ang sagot ko na lang is yes or no, no? Parang in literal form, pwede tayong mag-usap pero hindi ka pwedeng pumasok ng bahay, hindi ka pwedeng pumasok ng gate. Diyan ka sa labas, meron tayong wall or nandito ka sa pinto, diyan mo lang ako pwedeng kausapin. With the 7 of Wands, what I am seeing in here is, actually someone here wanted to parang ayusin uli itong nangyayari, pero ang gagawin nito is with the 7 of Wands, trying to be very strategic, linisin ang pangalan niya, or probably ibalik sa iyo yung mga nawala, nakuha, pero ang gusto nito is bumawi. With the Justice, I feel like papatunayan naman nitong taong ito kung ano yung gusto niyang gawin, kung ano yung pre-promise niya, no? Kasi with the Justice, parang sinasabi din itong person na ito na, uy, sandali marami rin akong gustong patunayan at gawin sa relationship na ito. At ayaw kitang mawala sa akin with the Sun. So parang sinasabi din itong person na ito na, uy, kung meron akong taong dapat bawian ng magandang pag-uugali or bayaran or makasama sa buhay, it is you. With the 7 of Pentacles, I feel like this person is actually waiting for a long time. So, medyo matagal-tagal, no? I think, medyo matagal-tagal itong hindi nyo pag-uusap or hindi niya pakikipagkita sa'yo. With the 7 of Pentacles is clarified by the King of Cups and the Magician. So, parang nakakatanggap pa tayo dito ng mga missed calls from unknown numbers, messages from dummy accounts, text, no, doon sa mga numbers na hindi naman natin kilala. Baka tumatawag, pinapakinggan lang yung hello natin, yung boses natin. But with the Judgment, I feel like siguro this person is charging their courage, no? Para mapalapit sa iyo, para lumapit sa iyo. Kasi with the Judgment, parang somehow buo na yung loob niya. Hindi lang ganun kalakas, pero buo na yung loob niya para lumapit, no? With the 3 of Pentacles, I feel like kailangan lang ng medyo kaunting panahon, pero desidido. Desidido, may plano. Kulang na lang nito is paninindigan. Baka kulang na lang to sa push, no? Konting talon-talon pa, mahanap niya na ang kanyang bayad, no? Para at least ma-push ito at maibigay kung ano man ang nararapat para sa iyo, kung ano man ang hiniram para sa iyo, maibalik man yan. But I feel like you truly deserve, whether this is just an apology, whether this is bumalik sa buhay mo, what have you. Kung ano yung abundance na para sa iyo with the Queen of Pentacles, no? So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person, of this person, no? Pwede ring lumabas ang zodiac sign nyo. Pero bago po yan, sa description ng video na ito, sa description box, sa baba, there's actually a link kung meron kayong katanungan, no? Kung nakaka-resonate kayo. Click the link, you'll be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? So again, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Pisces. I am seeing Leo, Libra, Virgo, Capricorn actually is here, Cancer, Scorpio, and Leo. This is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align. I am Daphne, also known as Papayant, standing in my own design.